several UK elites, which he captioned Black Excellence. Decked out in a debonair three-piece suit, Beenie Man was spotted with British actor and musician Idris Elba, British singer-songwriter of Jamaican descent Stefflon Don, Kenyan-American actor Eddie Gathegi, British comedian Jimmy Carr, British actor and rapper Michael Dapper, British footballer Ian Wright, among other UK socialites. Apart from the Who Am I DJ's outfit leaving fans in a frenzy, his infectious and eccentric personality definitely entertained the UK elites, as snaps on his Instagram story showed him dancing to Afrobeats number with Stefflon Don. His three-piece suit, which made rounds on Twitter, included a velvet gold-butted overcoat with a checkered blazer underneath and a bow tie at the neck. Completing and complementing his three-piece suit was a black beret hat and high-gloss boots. Reacting to his photo, fans translated famous lyrics of the Who Am I DJ to UK English. A Twitter user in his caption stylized Beenie Man's lyrics to say, "Dear sir, who might have thy keys to my bimmer?" While another user wrote, "Upon thy bed, upon thy floor, then hither against thy wall." Other fans also compared Beenie Man's outfit to the fictional British World War I veteran Tommy Shelby from a crime drama Peaky Blinders, calling him Moses Shelby, and even sarcastically adding that he's about to perform at a Peaky Blinders event. Beenie Man, while promoting the release of his upcoming album Simma, is also set to perform alongside Nigerian Afrobeat sensation Burna Boy at the Cocoa Fest in Manchester, United Kingdom on Sunday, November 14. The King of Dancehall is wasting no time spreading his Simma spirit all over the UK. Let us know in the comments what you think of Beenie's new look, and while you're at it, remember to like, share and subscribe to Dancehall Mag for upcoming news.